Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today's recipe is delicious crispy chicken fry. Take a bowl, add chicken drumsticks, 13 piece. Let me know from which city you are watching our video in comments below. I will thanks to everyone. Now add ginger garlic paste 1.5 teaspoon. Green chili paste 2 teaspoon. If you like our videos, please like, share and subscribe. Salt 1 teaspoon. Red chili powder 2 teaspoon. Black pepper powder 1/2 teaspoon. Roasted coriander powder 1 teaspoon. Red food color 1/4 teaspoon. Curd 1 teaspoon. Red chili sauce 3 teaspoon. Egg 1. Corn flour 3 teaspoon. Rice flour 2 teaspoon. Lemon 1/2. All ingredients mix well. Now add sesame seeds 3 teaspoon, mix well. Marinate chicken drumsticks for 1 hour. Take a frying pan, add cooking oil for frying. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on bell icon to get notification. When oil gets heat, add marinated chicken drumsticks. For this chicken you need to fry 2 times, first batch and second batch. First batch, fry all drumsticks in medium flame for 5 minutes. Remove all chicken pieces from pan after 5 minutes. After fried chicken drumsticks, keep aside for 30 minutes for cool. And then again ready to fry second batch in medium flame for 2 minutes. After fry second batch, it will become crispy. Remove all chicken pieces from pan after 2 minutes. Now add green chilies 7 cut in slice. Curry leaves handful. Cashews nuts 10 to 15 pc, fry for 1 minute. Decorate all chicken pieces as per your choice. Ready to serve with your family and friends. Very tasty and crispy. I like it. You must try this recipe. Thanks for watching our video. Bye bye.